You know what? I think I have an announcement to make. I've decided to make a cryptocurrency trading classes. Yes, that's correct. You heard it right. Cryptocurrency trading. Well, I've been in trading personally since 2009. I started with platforms like FX Forex and RoboForex. I've been working with MT4 and, of course, I didn't miss the crypto hype. So I've been trading pretty successfully for the past, let's say, 3 to 4 years on Binance and KuCoin. And you will say, oh yes, we heard it plenty of times. Here is some proof. Now, I think no questions asked. You will have your good days, you will have your bad days. You should understand, if you are going to trading, you will not make millions overnight. You will have to learn, you will have to understand the market, and you will have to work hard to make this money yours. If you are ready to do this, I encourage you to subscribe to my pre-list of students. I will be having only 500 students for the first classes, and for all my followers, you will get 50% off. And you will probably say, yes, but I think you will teach us some basic things if you will teach us at all. No, the classes will be for 3 months. And you should be ready to get started seriously. We will be doing a class on an education platform, which will be a closed classes only for our students who has subscribed for our program. And no, you will not have a chance to buy it any moment you like. We'll do a sale from August 1st to the end of the month. And we will start our classes from September till late November, so that you would be able to participate with all your knowledge in the Santa Claus rally, which will be before Christmas. You should think about, are you serious about starting crypto trading or trading in general? The price for the class for everyone outside our community, I mean my subscribers, will be $2.99. For all my subscribers, the price will be $1.49. So you think about it. I will give you, so that you know what you are paying your money for, a preview class. The class will be around 10 minutes, so you can get an idea what are we talking about and what kind of topics we are going to cover. Because we are going to cover a lot. We're going to cover how to stop your wallet, how to create an account on an exchange suitable for your region, how to buy your crypto, how to withdraw your crypto, how to use TradingView, how to use Elliott, how to use Fibonacci, and other trading techniques. With that being said, I encourage you, subscribe to my channel and get ready for cool updates. This was Alex. I hope to see you soon in my upcoming video. Take care.